And rolling. Come down.
You just want to catch me falling on camera.
I'm gonna... So today we are going to put this over our emergency hatch and we're gonna install the AC. Woo-hoo! But this is what we're working on today. So we're gonna close up this big hole and make it smaller, just enough to fit our AC unit. Yay!
Before I can get that reducer on the roof, I gotta seal it, keep it from rusting. So I'm painting it black with a rubberized undercoating meant for rust prevention. Do 2 coats on each side and then I'll get it on the roof. If I put that piece of metal up there, how am I gonna get the AC up here?
Somebody being on the roof, pick it up from the back.
From the back? Okay. Well, I'm gonna put that piece of metal on now then.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Unless you're extremely fit like I am. Okay. I understand you need that. It's gonna be heavy. AC's up. Boy, it looks good up there.
Boom, look at that.
Come up here. Can people get up here?
No,
You scared?
I am.
And it doesn't help, like I said, that I'm sweating. And this roof sealant is very, very slippery. I'm gonna fall to my death. Maybe even AC unit.
I know, it really makes me nervous. I'm freaking out a little bit.
Have a roof leak, just cut it off and leave it on the side of the roof. No?
know.